Welcome to today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Communications specialist at the Consumer Affairs Commission, Dorothy Campbell, is urging Jamaicans to conserve essential resources amid expected shortages linked to the ongoing conflict involving the United States, Israel, and Iran. Ms. Campbell told RJR News that she's advising consumers to cut back on the use of energy, food, water, and medication as global supply disruptions begin to take effect. She also encouraged strategies such as carpooling, bulk buying, and shopping at farmers' markets to help stretch shrinking disposable incomes, which are already under pressure from the crisis and impact of Hurricane Melissa. In addition, Ms. Campbell urged individuals with personal, mortgage, and business loans to engage their financial institutions in seeking lower interest rates. Several companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have reported results for investors to note. Everything Fresh is reporting increased profits for the year ending December 31, 2025. The company posted net profit of $42.8 million, up from $32.1 million in 2024. Next, Consolidated Bakeries has returned to profitability for the year ending December 2025 following a loss the previous year. Net profit for the year amounted to $6.5 million compared to a loss of $12 million during the previous period. And to round things out, Iron Rock Insurance Company has reported a net loss for the year ending December 2025 despite an increase in revenue. After accounting for taxation, Iron Rock recorded a net loss of $12.4 million compared to a profit of $80.7 million in 2024. For the trading period of April 9, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 11,498,739 units, representing 46.55% of market sales activities. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 5,560,210 units, representing 22.51% of market sales activities. Woodcats International Limited with 1,525,935 units, representing 6.18% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution, conglomerate, and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for April 9, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.95 and buying at $159.20. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 52-cent transaction spreads meant the Canadian dollar sold for $114.52 and was bought for $115.04. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $6.44 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $207.25 and was bought for $213.69. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, we're looking at when you don't need a credit report. When you use your investments to secure a loan, the focus shifts from your personal financial history to the strength of your assets. Traditional lending evaluates your credit worthiness, but margin lending evaluates your portfolio. This shift gives you more control, especially if your credit profile doesn't reflect your true financial capability or potential. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.